So look at that, guys. We have the frame for the window. I'm filming. Look how nice. It's all there. We're gonna start installing it. Ken is helping me and it looks beautiful. Well done, Ken. Thank you so much, man. We're gonna install the windows. That's it. So few hints, few suggestions about building a shipping container at this beautiful place. When installing windows, take a look. Not easy, man. So a few things. Do not try to use wood to frame your windows. It's not the best approach at all. You're gonna have leaking, you're gonna have the wood bending, it's hard to seal it. Don't do that. Use welding a metal frame around and then stick your window to it. Second thing, consider if you're framing inside or outside your container, because if you are framing outside, you're gonna need to put a double frame, okay? Then it's wider, and then the window will not look stuck into your construction or into your framing outside. If you are close to the beach, like me, always remember, use metal that is resistant to rust resistant, and as soon as you finish welding, you're gonna see black marks. What you need to do is rust converter, wait, rust converter again, and then you apply naval paint on top of it to isolate the metal. So you coat your metal, okay? That's what you need to do, and that's the hint for today. Enjoy! We are arriving here with our friend Kenneth, and we are finishing installation. Look how perfect. How good is that? Let's take a look inside, because from here it looks amazing. What do you think? That is awesome.